ba na nalugi ang Tupperware dahil sobrang perfect ng product nila? Weird, right? Watch this video because you won't believe the reason kung bakit sila na bankrupt. Yo, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, Tupperware is the brand known worldwide for its durable plastic containers. Imagine this, binili mo ang isang set, ginamit mo to for decades at hindi nag-crack, hindi tumigas, hindi nasira. Pwedeng lagyan ng maraming ulam at pang-sharon sa handaan ng pangmatagalan. That's Tupperware. Families bought a set and it was passed down for generations. Wala nang dahilan para bumili pa ulit. Loyalty, sobrang taas. And let's be real, kung ang baon mo dati sa school ay nakalagay sa Tupperware, ibig sabihin, mayaman ka at ang pamilya mo. Para automatic member ka na ng Cool Kids Club. But according to recent reports, the company filed for bankruptcy. Here's why. Honestly, Tupperware didn't fail because their products were bad. They failed because their products were actually too good. Yung mga containers nila, they were built to last. Airtight, unbreakable. Practically, it's immortal. Super helpful sa mga customers, but a nightmare for businesses. Here's the catch. Tupperware products were so good, customers did not need to buy more. Dahil tumagal sila ng decades, walang reason para mag-repeat purchase, kaya the sales went down. They didn't fail because they disappointed customers, they failed because their product was too perfect. Real talk. Honestly, a perfect product doesn't guarantee a perfect business. Minsan, perfection is the very thing that holds you back. Because your product might be perfect, but if it's not evolving, you're already dying. In your business, are you building a legacy or a monument? Once again, this is Real Talk Barbs from House Creatives saying, win with us or watch us win.